Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make mutton trotters. For this we require 2 tablespoons of oil. Don't use too much oil as they will also leave their own oil. Now I am adding 2 large chopped onions. Fry for few seconds until it changes its color. Use less onion for greater taste. Now here I am adding mutton trotters. Here I have used 12 mutton trotters. Fry both these ingredients for few seconds for greater taste. Now adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it well. You can see there is no excess oil. Now adding 1 tablespoon of oil, red chili powder and turmeric powder and all mixed powder. These trotters are extremely nutritious, highly rich in protein and minerals. Bone broth is full of healing compound like collagen and it may help fight osteoarthritis. It also helps to improve your immunity and boost up your energy level, and it's highly recommendable for everyone at home. Now adding 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Fry for a few more seconds until tomatoes are done. Now adding almost 1 to 2 liters of water in it. Mix it well, and all you have to do is cover this pot. Close the lid for almost 3 hours in a pressure cooker. First you have to switch on the flame at high level for almost 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes switch the flame to low level. You can see after 3 hours our mutton trotters are almost ready. Its bone broth is bubbling and so beautiful. So if you like the recipe, do give it a try, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.